right, so next I want to show you my order from Whimsy Delight. This is her birthday box or anniversary box. So this is what it looks like inside. It's packaged really cute with the pink tissue and a thank you. I'm just going to remove the items. All right, so let me go ahead and start off with the pen first. So you do get a really cute kawaii pen, and it's pretty good weight. It is a 0.5, yeah, 0.5, and I believe she had 3 or 4 different colors, and it was just chosen at random. So I got the really pretty like cream, I guess, and it's got a cute little bow on it. It is gel ink. Let me grab something. Yeah, gel ink. So you do get some Simply Gilded foiled Post-it notes. They are the ombre, and then they do have just the gold foil right there that says Happy Notes. You do get a peach palm clip, and you guys know peach palm is one of my favorite clip options. You do get another clip from the Creative Bee, and this is her mini bow clip, so this is kind of what she is known for, and it's just on a small paper clip, and it is the white iridescent. Super cute. You also get this really cute pen loop, and I believe it was made by her, so Whimsy Delight. This cute, smaller, wide gold clip, and it's got like the gray and the white with the bow. Cute. And you did get to choose whether you wanted gray or whether you wanted pink. So you do also get this bow clip. I took it out of the packaging just to see it better, but it wasn't attached. So this is what it looks like. It is a TN charm. There is no attachment to do rings, so you would have to use it from either another box or make your own. But there's that really pretty gray. I chose gray because I feel like I get pink with a lot of things, and you don't ever really see gray. Then you got this 3-pack of foiled washi in pink, teal, and purple, which I thought was really cute. So there were a bunch of shops that contributed to her anniversary box. One being Fox and Pip. So you do get this really cute rose gold pip bow vinyl decal. Then you have this sampler from 15 Prill. Then you have this sampler from Purposed Papery. I really like the bows. I'm bad to the bow. Then you get this really cute sampler from Banana Doodles, which is one of my favorite shops. Then there's this sampler from Momo Papery. And I believe these go together. So it's Panda Bird Designs, and it's a new premium matte paper. It feels nice. It's smooth, but it's not like buttery smooth. So it says it's her new premium matte paper. It does feel nice. It is pretty smooth, and the colors are really saturated. And then I believe she also included this bow die cut. It was just laying on top. Then I got 2 of the same sampler from the Bubblemon Stickers Co. Then there's this Stationery Heaven, and then she included this cute little bunny die cut, but really cute sampler. Then there's Rainbow Bunny Co. Nicole Alexia Designs. Spencer and Jude, and they also included this really cute coffee or tea die cut. And I believe this says Matcha Meow. I believe that's the shop name, but really cute bows. Then there is Paper Focus Partners. And this is a premium matte. Planning World, really cute foil bow icon stickers. And then Little Miss Papery included like this functional sheet. So that was everything that was included in the Whimsy Delight anniversary box. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And I will see you later. Bye.